In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a use case diagram in Visual Paradigm. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Diagram up top, and then you want to click on New, and you want to look for Use Case Diagram, so we can type it in. It's going to be over here. Click on it and press Next at the bottom right. From here, you then have, of course, an option to create a blank one, or you could start with any of these templates. So as you can see, if you go and select any of the templates over here and click on Next, you can, of course, give your diagram a name, description, or, of course, location if you want to, and then you can just press OK, and it's going to give you the template, which you can then, of course, edit and do whatever you want with it. So that's the first way. The second one is, of course, you could start from blank. So if I go and do this again over here, click on blank, press Next, give it a name like this, for example, and then press OK, it's going to create a blank one, and this time you have the AI diagram generation in case you want to use it. So you can just click on the Generate button top right, and it's going to basically help you with your diagram using AI. So here, I just typed in already, it says Library Management System, which could be like an example of a use case diagram, and if I now click on OK, it's going to start getting response from AI, and within just a few seconds, you're gonna get your AI generated diagram directly in here. There you go. Then you can, of course, move everything. You could go and change things. You could change text. You could like move things around. You could do whatever you want and customize it to make it your own. It could just kind of speed up your process, okay? But if you actually want to start from scratch and don't want to use AI or templates, over here on the left, you have all the elements you could need. So you have like these use cases you can just basically drag onto your board over here. You have the actors, you have associations, which you can, of course, create between different things over here. You can resize stuff. You can go and connect them. You can add systems. There's a bunch of different things you could do, of course, and then draw your own use case diagram that way. But of course, likely the easiest way is going to be to kind of use the AI to start off, to get you started very quickly, or to use one of the templates to create your own use case diagram. So that's basically the easiest ways to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.